Happy morning, children. Welcome back to the 5th standard ICSE mathematics class. Today we are going to continue the new unit. Since we completed last week second unit, addition and subtraction, this unit we are going to see about multiplication and the division sums. So today's class we are going to see about the multiplication, exercise 3.1 and exercise 3.2. In that exercise 3.1, we are going to see about a large number multiplication. It may be that 4-digit number by 2-digit or 3-digit number we are going to multiply. Then in exercise 3.2, we are going to multiply by 10, 100, 1000, that is with the zero numbers. It may be the 20, 30 or 200, 900, 500. So we have how to do the multiplication with a zero number we are going to see. Next thing is multiplication by 5, 25 and 50. These are all the things we are going to see in this unit today's class. Let us go to the exercise section now.
Unit 3 first one is warm-up section. In that first A, find the products. Let me explain the sums and we'll go to the exercise 1. First sum is 878 multiplied by 225. See children, we are going to do the multiplication of a 3-digit number by 3-digit number. This we learnt already in the 4th standard. Now in the warm-up section we are going to recall again, then we'll go to the large number multiplication in the exercise. Write the number according to the place value chart, ones, tens, 100 and arrange the number. Now you can start with the multiplication 878 by 5. Ones place number 8 5s are 40, then 0 4 should be carry over, 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 4 39, 9 and 3 should be carry over. Next 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 3 43. Ones place multiplication is over now. Coming to the tens place, we have 2. We need to multiply 878 by 2. So, we should start the answer also in a tens place. You can put a 0 in the ones place, otherwise plus symbol in the ones place. Now start 2 8s are 16 6 and 1 should be carry over in the tens place. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1 15, 5 and 1 should be carry over in the hundreds place. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1 is 17. Now tens place number multiplication is over. Coming to the hundreds place number, 878 multiply by 2. So answer also should start from a hundreds place. You can put a plus symbol in the ones place and the tens place. Now start 2 8s are 16 is 6 and 1 should be carry over. 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1 15, 1 should be carry over. 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 1 17. Now the multiplication section is over. We are going to do the addition of the 3 layers of the numbers, that is ones place multiplication, tens place multiplication and the hundreds place multiplication. We wrote no numbers. We need to add the numbers. Start from ones place onwards. Here 0 is there, so 0. Next tens place 9 plus 6. 15, 5 and 1 should be carry over. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. It is 15, 5 and 1 should be carry over. 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 5. It is 17, 7 and 1 should be carry over. 1 plus 7, 9 and 1. So the answer is 1,97,550. Let me explain one more sum for you. 448 multiplied by 912. Write the number according to the place value. Now start do the multiplication from ones place. 448 multiplied by 2. 8 2s are 16, 6 and 1 should be carry over in the 10th place. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. Next 100th place, 4 2s are 8. Coming to the 10th place multiplication, 448 multiplied by 1. So we are going to get a 448 again, but start from a tens place number. So put a ones place number 0 or plus symbol. Next 448 multiply by 9. Start the answer also in hundreds place. So put the ones place and tens place 0 or a plus. 448 multiply by 9 now. 9 8 is 72. 2 and 7 should be carry over in the 10th place. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 7 43. 3 and 4 should be carry over. 9 4s are 36 plus 4 carry over, no. So it is 40. The answer will be in the ones place we have 6 and tens place 9 plus 8 17, 7 and 1 should be carry over. Hundreds place 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 15, 5 and 1 should be carry over. Thousands place 1 plus 4 plus 3 8. 10,000 place 0 is there and the lakhs place 4. The answer is 4 lakhs 8,576. B1 is division. Find the quotient and the remainder. First sum is 4,679 divided by 32. So this also we read in the 4th standard itself. Two digit division. Start do the division. Children, you don't know the 32 table, so we can write the 32 table using multiplication in the rough column. 32 into 1 32, 32 into 2 64, 32 into 3 96. So how much we need, we can write it in the rough column and keep it ready. Now we can start the sum. 32 is the 2 digit number, so we have to take a 2 digit number in the dividend also. So 46 is the number. We need to take how many times 32 is there? Only one time. 1 32 32. Then do the subtraction. 6 minus 2 4. 4 minus 3 1 14. Then we have to take a next number down 7. So the number will be 143. In 143, how many 32s are there? We have to check the tables in the rough column. So 4 times 128 is there. So 4 into 32 128. Now do the subtraction. 7 minus 8 is not possible. Get the borrow. 17 minus 8 9. 3 minus 2 1 and 1 minus 1 0. Next you can bring down the last number 9. Now 199. 199. How many 32s are there? It is 6 times. 6 32s are 192. So the last number is 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 9 0. 1 minus 1 0. The remainder is 0 now. The quotient is 146. Remainder is 7. See children, if you don't know the sums, tables of a 2 digit number, we have to use the rough column and write as much we need. Exercise 3.1 in page number 28. For 2 sums are there. That is, first one is complete the multiplication grid. Second one is multiply. First one we are going to do it in the CW. After that we need to copy the answers alone in the book. They given a column wise and row wise numbers are there. We need to multiply both and respective place we need to write the answers. Second one is multiply. So both the things we are going to do it in the CW. Let me explain the sum one by one. The first column, first row, we have a 115 and 2310. These two number first we are going to take and multiply. The answer has to be written in the respective column. First one is multiplication. Write the number according to the place values and start with the multiplication from ones place. 5. 2310 multiply by 5. So 5 0 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. 5 and 1 should be carry over. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. So ones place multiplication is over. Now coming to the tens place multiplication. 2310 multiply by 1. So we are going to start with the answer in the tens place. So put a plus symbol or a 0 in the ones place number. Now 1 with the multiplication of 2310 become 2310. Next hundreds place multiplication also we have a 1. So 2310 multiplied by 1 again 2310. But the answer should be written start from a hundreds place. So now you do the addition of 3 rows. 0, next 10th row it is 5, hundreds we have 5 plus 1 6, and thousands we have 1 plus 3 plus 1 5, and 10,000s we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 it is 6, and lakhs place we have 2. So the answer is 2,65,650. That should be written in the grid. So similarly you have to multiply all the numbers and write the answer in the respective places. Now exercise 3.1 B Roman letter is multiply. First sum is 2462 multiply by 132. So 4 digit number multiply by 3 digit number. First thing, arrange the number according to the place value, ones, tens, 100,000. Write the number with the correct places. Now start do the multiplication from ones place number onwards. Here ones place we have 2. So now we are going to multiply 2462 multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4. 6 2s are 12. 2 and 1 should be carry over in the hundreds place. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Next 2 2s are 4. So ones place multiplication is over. Now coming to the 10th place multiplication. We have a 3. 2462 multiply by 3. The answer also should start in the 10th place. So put plus symbol or 0 in the ones place number. Now start the multiplication. 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 8 and 1 should be carry over in the 100th place. Next 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 3 and 1 should be carry over in the thousands place. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Now we completed the 10th place multiplication. Coming to the 100th place multiplication, 2462 multiplied by 1. So we are going to get the same number 2462. But the answer should start from a 100th place. So put the plus symbol or in the 0 in the 10th place and the ones place. And now we completed the multiplication. Now add the columns of 3 multiples. First one is ones place 4. 10th place 2 plus 6 8. Hundreds place 9 plus 8 plus 2 19. 9 and 1 should be carry over. Thousands place 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 14. 4 and 1 should be carry over. Next 1 place 7 plus 4 12. 2 and 1 should be carry over. 1 plus 2 3. When we are multiplying 2462 by 132, we are going to get the answer of 3,24,984. Fifth sum, 5 digit number multiply by 2 digit number. Write the number, place value, ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000. 85,401 multiply by 33. So now we are going to multiply by ones place number. 1 3s are 3, 0 3s are 0, 4 3s are 12, 2 and 1 should be carry over. 8 3s are 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 16, 6 and 1 should be carry over. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 1 25. Next 10th place number, put the ones place number plus and start to the 10th place multiplication. 10th place also we have 3. So 85,401 multiply by 3. We are going to get the answer of 3 into 1 3, 3 0 0, 4 3s are 12 0. 2 and 1 should be carry over. 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 16 and 6, 1 should be carry over. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 1 is 25. The same number because we are going to multiply the 3 in the 1's place and the 3 in the 10th place. You no need to multiply once again. You can write as it is the number, but you have to write 1's place number alone plus and start do the number in the 10th place. Now you can add 3 in the 1's place, 0 plus 3 in the 10th place, 2 plus 0, 2 in the 100th place, 6 plus 2, 8 in the 1000's place, 5 plus 6, 11 and 1 should be carry over in the 10,000 place, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 1, 8 and final one is 2. The answer is 28,18,233. Now 13th is some 5-digit number multiplied by 3-digit number. Write the number according to the place value 1s, 10s, 100,000 and 10,000. Arrange the number 81,234 multiplied by 218. Now start with the multiplication from 1's place number. Now we are going to multiply 81,234 multiplied by 8. 8 4s are 32, 2 and 3 should be carry over in the 10th place. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 3 27, 7 and 2 should be carry over. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 2 18, 8 and 1 should be carry over. 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 8s are 64. 1's place number multiplication was over. Now coming to the 10th place number, put the plus symbol in the 1's place. Now 81,234 multiplied by 1, we are going to get the same number 81,234. You arrange the number accordingly. Next 100th place multiplication, 81,234 multiplied by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 8 2s are 16. Now we completed the multiplication. Now you do the addition of 3 rows. 2 in the 1's place, next 10th place, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 and 1 should be carry over. 100th place, 1 plus 8 plus 3 plus 8. It is 20, 0 and 2 should be carry over. 1000's place, 2 plus 9 plus 2 plus 6. 19, 9 and 1 should be carry over. 1000's place over. Now 10,000's place, 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4. It is 10, 0 and 1 should be carry over in the lakhs place. 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2, 17, 7 and 1 should be carry over in the 10 lakhs place. 1 plus 7, 7 and crores place 1. The answer is 1,77,09,012. The last model in this exercise is 5-digit number multiplied by 4-digit number. Multiplication with the number is the same for all the models, children, but we need to arrange the number according to the place value. The answer is, first one is 54,396 multiplied by 1's place number 8. So when we are multiplying with 8, we will get the answer 4,35,168. Write the number according to that. Next one is 54,396 multiplied by 9. So we are going to start from the 10th place answer. So put 1's place number plus or 0 and write the number. The answer is 4,89,564. Next 100th place multiplication, 54,396 multiplied by 7. We are going to get the answer is 3,80,772. Start to the answer from 100th place. Put the plus symbol in the 1s and the 10th place. Now the 1000th place multiplication, 54,396 multiplied by 1. We are going to get the same 54,396. But the answer should return from a 1000's place onwards. Now we completed the multiplication. Start do the addition from 1's place. 8 in the 1th place. 6 plus 4. 10, 0 and 1 should be carry over in the 10th place. 1 plus 1 plus 6 plus 2. 10, 0 and 1 should be carry over in the 1000's place. 1 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6. It is 24. 4 and 2 should be carried over in the 10,000 place. 2 plus 3 plus 9 plus 7 plus 9. It is 30. 0 and 3 should be carried over in the lakhs place. 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 0 plus 3. It is 18. 8 and 1 should be carried over in the 10 lakhs place. 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4, 17. 7 and 1 should be carried over in the crores place. 1 plus 3 plus 5, 9. So the answer is 9 crore 78 lakhs 4,008. Next is exercise 3.2 in page number 30. We are going to do the quick multiplication. That is, we are going to multiply by 10, 100, 1000, 500. So 0 numbers. Very easy to multiply. It is very interesting also. Let us see the sums now. First sum is 59 multiplied by 10. So in turn we have 1 0 is there. No, you have to write the 0 in the answer. Then multiply by number alone. Number we have 1. So 59 into 1, 59. So the answer is 590. Very easy, no? Second sum is 613 multiplied by 30. In 30 we have 1 0. So put the 0 in the answer column. Then start with the multiplication with the 613 by 3. Horizontal multiplication we know already. So do that horizontal multiplication. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 3 6 are 18. Now the answer is 18,390. Coming to the third question, 1,234 multiplied by 60. In 60 we have 1 0. You write the 0 in the answer column. Then multiply 1,234 multiplied by 6. Horizontal multiplication, 6 4s are 24, 4 and 2 should be carried over. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2, 22 and 2 should be carried over. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 and 1 should be carried over. 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Next fourth sum, 784 multiplied by 100. So in 100 we have 2 zeros are there. So write the number 2 zeros in the answer column. 784 into 1. We are going to get same number. So the answer is 78,400. Next fifth sum, 548 multiplied by 600. 600 we have 2 zeros are there. You can write the 2 zeros in the answer column. Then multiply 548 multiplied by 6. The answer is 3,28,800. Eighth sum, 123 multiplied by 5,000. In 5,000 3 zeros are there. You write the 3 zeros in the answer column. Now you multiply 123 by 5. 5 3s are 15, 1 carry over. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry over. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1 6. The answer is 6,15,000. Next ninth sum. 7,521 multiplied by 7,000. In 7,000 3 zeros are there. You can write 3 zeros multiply by 7 now. 7 ones are 7, 7 2s are 14, 4 and 2 1 carry over. 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 1 36, 6 and 3 carry over. 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 3 52. The answer is 5 crore 26 lakhs 47,000. Next 10th sum, 8 multiply 10,000. So in 10,000 we have 4 zeros and 8 ones are 8. So the answer is 80,000. Next is 61 into 10,000. In 10,000 we have 4 zeros. 1 into 61, 61. So the answer is 6 lakhs 10,000. Next 12th sum, 99 multiplied by 1 lakh. So in 1 lakh we have 5 zeros. Write the 5 zeros and 1 into 99 multiply 99. The answer is 99 lakhs. Next B1 multiply the quick way. First one is 1432 multiply by 5. So for 5 we need to multiply by 10 and divide by 2. So first thing is multiply by 10. We write the same number and add 1 0 with that. Then divide by 2. to horizontally you can divide, otherwise you can do it in the rough column and write the answer. 14,320 divided by 2. 7 2s are 14, next 3, 2 1s are 2, remainder 1, and next one is 12, 6 2s are 12. The answer is 7,160. Coming to the second sum, also we are going to multiply by 5. So need to multiply by 10 and divide by 2. When we multiply by 10, 6,483 become 64,830. Now divide by 2. Write in the rough column and do the division. In 6, 2 3s are 6, 4, 2 2s are 4, in 8, 4 2s are 8, in 3, 1 2s are 2, remaining 1, and next 0, 5 2s are 10. The answer is 32,415. Now multiply by 25. We need to multiply by 100 and divide by 4 for easy method. So 303 multiply by 25, 303 multiply by 100 now, and that answer we need to divide by 4. So the answer is 303 and 2 zeros you can add. That is 30,300. Now 30,300 divided by 4. Do the rough column division. 30,300 divided by 4. 7 4s are 28, remaining 2, and next number is 3, 23. 5 4s are 23, next is 0. 7 4s are 28, 30 minus 28, 2, and next is 0. Next 4 5s are 20. So the answer is 7,575. Next is sixth sum, 918 multiply by 25. Now do the multiplication. 918 multiply by 100 means 2 zeros you can add, that is 91,800. So 91,800 divided by 4. You can take it in the rough column and do the division. In 9, 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8, 1. Next number is 1, 11. In 11, 4 2s are 8, remaining 3. Next number is 8, 38. 9 4s are 36. Next number is 2 0. 4 5s are 20. One more 0 is there, you can put it in the quotient column. Now the answer is 22,950. So for the quick multiplication 25, we need to multiply by 100 and divide by 4. Quick multiplication with the 50, seventh sum, 136 multiply by 50. When we want to multiply by 50, we need to multiply by 100 and divide by 2. As like that for 5. For multiply by 5 means we did with the multiply with the 10 and divide by 2. Here 50 means multiply with the 100 and divide by 2. 136 multiply by 100, we need to add 2 zeros with us, 136. Now the answer is 13,600. 13,600 we are going to do the division by 2. Directly you can do, otherwise do it in the rough column and write the answer. 6 2s are 12, 1 remaining, and next number is 6, so 16. In 16, 8 2s are 16. Next 2 more zeros are there, you have to put it in the quotient. Now the answer is 6,800. Next 8th sum, 245 multiply by 50. So need to multiply by 100 and divide by 2. 245 multiply by 100 is 24,500. Now 24,500 divided by 2. Write in the rough column and do the division. 1 2s are 2. In 4, 2 2s are 4. In 5, 2 2s are 4. Remaining 1. Next 0. In 10, 5 2s are 10. And one more 0 is there. You can put it in the quotient. Now the answer is 12,250. That's it, children. We completed the 3.3 exercise. Thank you, children. Stay home and stay safe. We'll see in the next class.